What is going on, everybody? It's Core from Cody Media. I help restaurant owners get butts in seats with digital marketing. Want to chat about how to get butts in seats and customers at your restaurant using Facebook Messenger bots. This is something, if you haven't heard about Messenger bots, you should take a look at what it can do, because it's a really powerful tool to get butts in seats. And this is what we do for the restaurants that we work with. So first of all, I don't like the term bot because it sounds like it's out of the Terminator or something. But what it is it's a way to communicate in an automated way and send people offers to get them in the door. Let me show you how it works. There's kind of 3 steps, and the third step here is really the secret sauce that makes this whole thing special and unique from everything else. So the first thing that we do is we run an ad to collect data, okay? And so when they come in they see an ad on Facebook, they click, it sends them into Messenger, and it looks something like this. And I don't know, and hopefully you can see this. Basically, we're asking them for their email address, and we can also ask for their phone number, all right? And that allows us to build a database. So what we're doing is we're getting the information from the customers and putting it into a database. Think of it like a spreadsheet where you have everybody's information. So that's number 1. And we're saying, if you can see right here, to get it, that's the second part, is we're giving them an offer. And this one is a buy one, get one burger. Okay. So the second part is, and this is all automated, we send them an offer. Okay. Buy one, get one burger, something like that. From that, because now we have their data automated inside of the bot, we can send them reminders. Okay. Hey, don't forget you still have a BOGO burger. Hey, don't forget you still have a free appetizer. We can send them those reminders, text messages, emails, and also Facebook Messenger. All right. And what's really powerful about Facebook Messenger is it's like a 98% open rate. Think about it. If you have a Facebook message and you've had that red notification on there, you're probably going to read it, right? And so that's why Facebook Messenger is like 98%. Text messaging is like 90% open rate. And you probably know email is around 20 to 30% open rate if you're lucky. And so from all this is all automated. We can send them reminders. Now, this redeem button, if you can see this is the secret sauce. What we can do is we can track how much people spend. And so let me show you an example. And so right here is where you can see it says, okay, how much did they spend? And let's say they spent $55. Okay. And so either your staff or the customer puts in $55. From that, we can track how much they are spending. So this is a pizza place. So look at this pizza place. This is by month and by offer. And so the first one is a buy one, get one pizza. Okay. And so look at the revenue that we've tracked on that. The next one is a buy one, get one, buy a large, get a medium free. All right. And so in just 8 months with this restaurant, we've tracked $41,000 in sales, and that's what we've driven in. But look at this. This is the powerful thing. The average check. We're also looking at, are we getting them coming more often and spending more money? And so for the buy one, get one pizza, our average check was $32. Okay. You can see that we're getting them in. Oh, here's the overall. BOGO pizza, the overall average check is $28. The buy a large, get a medium free is $32. And so what we're trying to do is get a higher average check and get people coming back more often. And that's all what we do automated inside of Messenger bots. Now, it uses a third-party platform called ManyChat. And I don't have time to go into all the details because it's a little bit of a complex system, but this is what we do for restaurants. So if you'd love to learn more about how this could work for your restaurant, I'm going to drop a link below. Let's have a quick strategy call and just sit down and chat about what it looks like for your restaurant, how it could work for you. So I'll drop that link below. That's all I have. If you have any questions, please comment below. Love to hear what you have to say and what you want to learn about Messenger bots. Hope everybody's having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.